A very good morning, class. Today we are going to deal with the last topic of rational number, chapter 4, that is insertion of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Means, okay, if I say 0, for example, 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2, but there are infinite numbers in between 1 and 2. We have seen, yes or no, while dealing with fractions, right? Yes or no? Or in decimals also you have seen we were inserting n number of numbers between two standard numbers. Yes, normal numbers. True? True or false?
Yes, ma'am.
True. So, this question does not have a particular answer. इस क्वेश्चन में कोई पर्टिकुलर आंसर नहीं होगा, but it has three methods to find out. The number should be when we see the reduced form of those numbers or equivalent form of those numbers. How to check that if the answer which you have given is correct or not, right? By using any of the three methods, is that in the equivalent form of the number so lies between the two ranges or not. Understood? इन दो नंबर्स के रेंज में है के अंदर है या नहीं, then only that rational number which you have inserted is correct. Understood? Understood? So
Yes.
First I will be taking a general number and then we will be dealing. I am taking from your book only -7 by 8 and -8 by 7. See, when the denominators are same, one condition is there, when the denominators are different. So first I am dealing with and. For when the denominators are different, there are two methods. So let's see which is the first. Let's see the first one. And it does not depend that the answer will be same in both the cases. But the range, it should lie between the numbers range. So I'm taking -7 upon 8 and we have to insert -8 by 7 are the two ranges. What is the range of the two numbers? What is the range given to us? Is -7 upon 8 and -8 by 7. Now, the denominators are different. Yes or no? The denominators are different.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's also a trick in the question. We have to make the denominators equal. We have to first make the denominators equal. Then only we can insert numbers. So first that is common. We have if the denominators are not equal, we have to first make the denominators equal. So how to make the denominators equal? By taking the LCM method. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
yes, ma'am.
What now? -7 into 7 upon 8 into 7. Yes or no? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And -8 into 8 upon 7 into 7. Right? No, sorry, 7 into 8. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's check what is the number. 7 sevens are -49 upon 56 and -64 upon 56. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see how many numbers will be lying between here? 49 से check करो. इसके बाद हम लिख सकते हैं 49. If I check for 49, I can write here -48 upon 56. I can write -48 now. -50 -51 upon 56 -51 upon 56. Then -52 upon 56. Then -53 upon 56. Then 64 लिख सकते हैं ना? So between there, we can move till 63, minus 63, right? Then 53 के बाद क्या होगा? Minus 54 by 56.
54 upon 56.
55 by 56. Then minus 57 by 56. Then minus 58 by 56. Then minus 59 by 56. So on to minus 59 by 56, minus 60 by 56, minus 61 by 56, minus 62 by 56, and lastly minus 63 by 56. So we saw many numbers can be inserted. Yes or no? Yes or no? By
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
since
ma'am.
many numbers can be inserted, so and in the question only they have said to select only 4 among them. So understood why our answers cannot be matched. You have a range of how many numbers? Varying from, if we round from 50, 50, 51, 52, count how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Count, who's counting? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, and 63. So how many numbers? How many numbers? 14 numbers are there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And among that, only 4 you have to select. Among that, only 4 you have to select and
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
First
ma'am.
method.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The second method is calculated base method. Do you want to learn that? Or you want to stick to this method only?
Excuse me,
Should I show the second method? Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Acha.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging. Can you explain again?
Which from where? From where? Okay, I'm taking it. I have to insert 4 rational numbers between these 2 numbers. So, in order to insert any rational number, we have to make the denominators equal. What we have to make? The denominators. Any operation is possible when the denominator is positive and equal. Yes or no? Comparison के सिवा कोई भी ऑपरेशन तभी पॉसिबल होता है जब डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल हो और पॉजिटिव हो. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, how
Yes,
to make
ma'am.
it simple? Taking LCM. 8 और 7 का LCM कितना होता है? 56 नहीं होता?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो minus 7 into 7 upon 56 आया. और इधर कितना है? Minus 8 into 8 upon 56. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अब देखो. Is that what is our new number? Minus 49 upon 56. And the other final number is minus 64 upon 56. जब डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल हैं, हम अब देखो न्यूमरेटर्स कहां से कहां तक ट्राई करेंगे. minus 49 से minus 64 के बीच में बहुत सारे नंबर नहीं आ रहे हैं. There are n
Yes,
numbers. We have just counted how many numbers were there. We just now counted how many were there.
Ma'am, 14.
Ma'am, 14.
And you have to only select
Ma'am,
any 4.
40.
As per choice, you have to select only 4 and write them in between. And how to write them? How to write them? Final answer कैसे लिखा जाए? Right? The question is how to write them. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, for example, I'm taking randomly 3 numbers, just randomly, not a definite one. Minus 52 upon 56, minus 58 upon 56, and minus 'random'. But between So ascending or descending? We are moving from smaller to greater or greater to smaller. देखिए numbers बताओ.
Ma'am, smaller. Ma'am, bigger to smaller.
Ma'am, bigger to smaller.
समझ में आया? आंसर रिप्रेजेंट कैसे किया जाएगा? आंसर रिप्रेजेंट कैसे किया जाएगा इंसर्शन को भी? प्रेजेंटेशन का आंसर समझ में आया है सबा? और छोटा क्वेश्चन में लॉजिकल ज्यादा है, स्टेप्स कम है. राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes, ma'am.
It's more logical
Yes, ma'am.
than steps. Okay, let's try one. Okay, okay, stick to this technique only. Okay, now stick to this technique only. Just practice. Set your hand on this technique only. Okay, let's take the other number from your book. Let's take the next number from you. 30 by 40. Right? 2 by 25. What to do? What we should do? Yes.
Ma'am, LCM.
Huh? I cannot. Please be loud. Not. Please be loud. I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, LCM.
Ma'am, LCM.
Can you hear me now? Ma'am? Okay, what is the next step? Please. 30 by 40, 2 by 25.
Ma'am, LCM.
Ma'am, LCM of the denominators.
Yes, Aditi, be loud. Please.
Ma'am, LCM. Ma'am, LCM of 40 and 25.
20 का 25, 10 का 25, 5 का 25, 5, 1 का 5, 5 का 25, 5, 1 का 5, 5, 1 का 5. That is 2 into 2, 5 into 5, right? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
5 into
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
So how much it is?
Ma'am, 200.
25 का?
Ma'am, 200. Ma'am, 200. 200. 200. 200.
45 का? 200.
Ma'am, 200.
So your denominator is 200 and your denominator is again 200, right? Now, 13 into how much? 13 into how much?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 6.
And 2 into?
Ma'am, 2 and
Ma'am, 8.
8.
Ma'am, 8.
8 and 1? 8.
Yes, ma'am.
The number becomes 65 upon 200 and then the number becomes 16 upon 200. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you can see we can see many numbers. For example, let's say which number should I put? Which number should I put here? Any number you want.
Ma'am, 15.
1 5 or 5
Ma'am,
0?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1 5.
5 0.
Ma'am, 1 5.
बेटा अगर देख लो अच्छे से वो तुम्हारा नंबर कौन से स्टार्ट हो रहा है यू हैव टू चेक इट असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग में कि डिसेंडिंग में
Ma'am, descending.
so according
Descending.
so what number should be here after this what should I write
Ma'am,
60 upon
Ma'am,
200.
50.
Ma'am, 60 upon 200.
Then what is the next number? Four numbers you have to answer. What should be the next number?
Ma'am, 55 upon 200.
Upon 200.
How much?
Ma'am, 50 upon 200.
50 upon 200. Okay. Then what
Ma'am,
are four numbers?
46 upon 200.
Ma'am, 46 upon 200.
How much?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
46
46 upon 200.
43 or 46 you are telling. Whichever you tell.
Ma'am,
Both
46.
Ma'am,
45.
ma'am, 43.
Ma'am, 45.
45 or 43. Both are correct. 43 upon 200. And last one more number is quite answer. Any number?
Ma'am, 3 upon 200.
Huh? How much? How much?
Ma'am, 30 upon 200.
30 upon. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So,
Yes.
now, when the step is there, one more thing. This is our final answer. First step. Are the numbers in their lowest form?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
55 upon 200 is 13 upon 40. 60 upon 200 is how much? बेटा कैमरा बंद करो मेरे गाना 60 upon 200 is how much? 0 cancels 0. 3
Ma'am,
by
3 upon 10.
3 by 10.
3 upon
Then 0 cancels 0 by 1 by 4. Yes or no?
Ma'am, 1 upon 4.
And
1 upon
already in the reduced form. This is already in the reduced form. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
43 upon 240 cancels. Then 3 by 20. Yes or no?
Ma'am, 3 by 20.
Ma'am, 3 upon 20.
Is this one will be 3 upon 20 or not?
Yes.
So 3 by 20 is left.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 by 20 and finally 2 by 20. Understood? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
understood the final answer? Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understood or not? I will be dealing with the last one also. I can deal with the last one also. But is it clear this one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Still confused?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Any other method which you want to discuss with me? Or this method is fine with you?
Ma'am, this method is fine.
Easy.
Ma'am, fine.
Oh. So if you have any other method, then we will discuss it. There is a formula-based method which we deal in class 8. If you want to know the formula-based method, I will be glad to tell you. Do you want or just logical method you want?
Ma'am, this method is fine.
Huh?
Ma'am, this is fine.
This is fine.
That is also a formula-based method. Okay. Now, let's see the last one very easy. That minus 5 by 12 and minus 1 by 12. What should be the first step?
Ma'am, minus 4 upon 12.
8 is the one thing. This is a different one. That's why I was saying. Abhi aaya hai. I was searching for this type of question only. That's why I was saying. देखो इसके अंदर कितने नंबर जा सकते हैं 2 -2 -3 -4 and we require 4 numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो क्या करें?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay, you can only 3 numbers there and the question says you have to insert 4 numbers. How to do that? This is the question which I was searching for. This was the type of question I was searching for. मेथड वही है लेकिन ट्रिक यूज की जाती है इसमें. मुझे बताओ वो ट्रिक क्या है? Any idea? There is a little bit tricky method. Trick is applied. Any idea on that trick? Should I tell you? Should I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We first step, although the denominators are same, we have to use the equation. Trick is that जितने नंबर इंसर्ट करने हो उनसे एक ज्यादा हम ले लेते हैं. जैसे मान लो in your question you have to insert 4 numbers, so I will be multiplying the numerator and denominator with 5. ट्रिक समझ में आई? ट्रिक समझ में आई या नहीं?
Yes, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. हो सकते ना कि ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर से फर्स्ट स्टेप क्लियर. अब
Yes,
b का आंसर हो सकता है b पर 4 नंबर. हाउ टू इंसर्ट? Only 3 numbers can be inserted and we have to insert 4 numbers. Then there is a trick that we multiply the denominator and numerator with n plus 1. N plus 1 क्या? N is the number of terms to be inserted. What is n plus 1? When the number of terms, where n is equal to number of terms to be तो यहाँ पर n कितना है? In this question what is n? In this question what is n?
Ma'am, 4.
4. So what should I multiply with? -5 into 5 upon 12 into 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
And
Yes, ma'am.
-1 into 5 upon 12 into 5. So my new number becomes 25 upon 60 and -5 upon
60.
Now can I insert 4 irrational numbers? Now can I insert 4 rational numbers?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest what number should I write here? 10.
Ma'am, 24 upon 16.
Ma'am, 20 upon 6.
Ma'am, 25 upon. Ma'am, 20 upon
minus
16.
20 upon 60.
In order na?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
उससे बड़ा रखेंगे. Then
Ma'am, minus 16.
18 upon 60. 10 upon 60. गलत तो नहीं है ना? Minus 10. 60 wrong. Is it wrong? Then minus 4 upon 60 now
Ma'am, minus 6.
3 upon 60 है. And finally question is minus 5 upon. Right? हमारे पुराने क्वेश्चन की तरह बन गया. हमारे पुराने क्वेश्चन की तरह बन गया. बना या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
So now minus 25 and 16 minus 5 by 12. This is minus
1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3.
80 by 60,000. 3 in 3 days right? नहीं कितने की डेट हो जाएगा? रिड्यूस करो कितना हुआ? रिड्यूस एंड टेल मी हाउ मच इट इज. Minus how much? Minus 18 by 60 is how much by reduction?
Ma'am, 3 upon ma'am, minus 3
Minus 3 upon 10.
10.
Here what? Minus 3 upon how much?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
10.
10.
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, 10.
Then minus 1 by 10.
1 upon 6.
Right. Then minus 1 upon 10. Then minus 2 by 8.
Ma'am, 2 by
Nay, 1 by 15. 4 2 by nay, sorry, 2 by 15. 2 by 15. 4 2
Minus
Ma'am, minus 2
right?
upon 6.
Right or wrong?
2 by 15.
2 by 15, right? Minus 2 by 15 and finally the question is minus 1 by 12. Understood? Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So the both, so what we saw is, but in the first step, if the denominators are different, then no problem, we make a equation form, we get the number. But after making the equation form, also if we do not get the number of terms to be inserted, what we do? We just apply this formula, that is, we multiply n plus 1 with the numerator and denominator. Is it fine? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So can anyone recapitulate what we have discussed just now? First thing what we see? Who will tell? Who will be recapitulating it? What we discussed just now? Huh? Who will be telling me the steps again? First thing what we see? What are the two rational numbers? Then, is the denominator same or different? If it is same or different, no problem. But if it is same, so we check is the number of required number of terms can be inserted in or not. If yes, no problem, just simply insert and the question is over. But if cannot be inserted, then what we use the formula, we divide and multiply the numerator and the denominator with n plus 1, where n is what? The number of terms
Ma'am, number of terms to be inserted.
be inserted. Okay, then we get the equivalent forms on our LHS side, on the first side and second side. Then we see which number is greater and which number is less. Accordingly, we put our greater than and less than side and insert the number. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Or is it clear? Is it
Yes,
difficult?
ma'am.
Is it difficult or logical?
Ma'am, logical.
It's logical. It's not difficult. It's logical. Okay. So any queries from your side? Because here with this we end this chapter here and we will be starting with operations of rational number from tomorrow. Right? That is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. But if the basic concept of rational numbers are not clear, then it will be difficult to deal with. So any confusion? Any
No, ma'am.
confusion? Okay. So should I end the class with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.